This video is about how to interpret a safety data sheet. So a safety data sheet is a document that contains information on the hazards that are in a substance and that could endanger the safety of the users of the substance. So knowing how to interpret a safety data sheet properly is going to form an important part of risk assessment and knowing how to handle the substance properly so you can be safe. A safety data sheet contains 16 sections, and I'm going to go through each of those sections right now. So section 1 has to do with the identification of the chemical as well as its use. Section 2 has to do with hazards of the chemical. Section 3 has to do with the ingredients in the chemical. Section 4 has to do with the initial treatment protocol. Section 5 has to do with recommendations for fighting a fire caused by a chemical. Section 6 outlines procedures to be followed in case of an accidental release of the chemical. Section 7 has to do with safe handling practices and conditions for safe storage. Section 8 has to do with chemical explosive limits, engineering controls. Section 9, physical and chemical properties. Section 10, reactivity and hazards. Section 11 has toxicological information. Section 12 is about the environmental effects of the chemical. Section 13 contains disposal considerations. Section 14 contains transport information. Section 15 has safety, health, environmental considerations. And section 16 contains miscellaneous information.